Over the weekend, Obi Cubana celebrated his birthday, 50th birthday party. And there are lots of video here on the channel. You can check them out and see for yourself how the party went. Now, this guy, I know a lot of you might have heard that there was someone who actually spread Obi Cubana 100 million naira at that birthday. This is the video here, guys. Now, I intentionally decided to bring this video here for you guys this Monday morning so that you get motivated and build good relationship. When you do business with somebody, ensure that you keep to your own part of the bargain, and in return maintain a good relationship at all costs. That is where you know that good name is better than money. Okay, now this guy spread 100 million at this birthday event. He is into shipping, and everything you're seeing here now is not about rituals. It's not rituals. Obi Cubana is an entertainer, and he has to be entertained on his birthday. That was why they brought all of this guy Ndeli to do all of this display. Enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment.
That already is like 10 million. That is another 10 million. You have good people around you. You have good people around you. Enough of mama. It's open your time. Open it, open it. Open it. Instigator, you have good friends. Millionaires and millionaires. Open it. 3 boxes, 30 million. 3 boxes, how much? 4 boxes, that's the first one. Maybe. That is 40. Melvin. Instigator, that's your man. Melvin Shipping Nigeria Limited, the 5th box. Cash, 50 million. 50 what? 50 lots. Melvin. Instigator. Melvin Shipping Nigeria Limited. Thank you so much. Of distracting lady. Over the empty. See now, we are not done yet. We are not done. Everything. Some dollars. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a 60. That's 60. 60 million. How much those who are wonderful? David. Dollar. 100 bills. 100 bills. 100 bills.
Are you people come up for road? Can I just better?
This is the 7th box. 7th box. 7th box. That is how much? 7,000 Ladies and gentlemen, what's that cost in Abuja? Melvin. Do we see another? Do we see hey. Ladies and gentlemen, say 90 million. Take one for tonight. Are you ready? Open. Melvin. Ologun. It is very well noted that Melvin Shipping Nigeria Limited tonight, in less than 10 minutes, spent $100 million. Put your hands together now. Put your hands together now. Bigger. As Ologun is still on stage, right upon now, ladies and gentlemen, one of the finest.